Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today we're back on part 2, beating this level with Kenny McCormick. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Remember
Oh, no,
last
no, no.
remember last time we got ragey and then we can't even beat this level. Oh no. Here
Oh,
comes
no,
the
no, no.
rage. Oh no. Even it's
No, no,
funny.
no, no, no.
Even it's funny
Woo,
can beat this. We can't. Oh. Oh, the hands. The hands.
What the hell?
Come on.
I cannot even swim.
Oh my, what? It looks like something can we do this? Wait, this way, stop. Don't go to the right. Go this way.
No, 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 no.
This way,
What?
this way. We gotta be careful. We're gonna do
This
it.
way, this way, this
Wait,
way.
we're doing it. We're doing it.
No,
No way.
no, 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 no.
Oh, slow. Ja-
I did jump. No, I'm drowning.
Okay. Oh,
John just joined.
huh?
John
Bruh.
joined.
Oh, wait. I don't, guys and viewers, I will be right back and text them.
So,
Okay, go, go. Left, left, row, row, right,
right.
right.
Stop. Stop. Done.
Stop. Why did we do this? Why did we then? Why
Right.
did we not do this in 15, 14 minutes ago? Owl handing turning. Yo! Whoa!
Bruh, this level is
That was
so hard.
I used the line from It's Funny. Forward, right, back up, forward. Why did we not do this in 14 minutes ago?
Yung pagkapusa ko po.
Whoa, slow down, slow down. We're gonna do. Ah, we were almost there. Wait,
Yeah, but you
should we help
can't.
John? Should we help John?
Sure. Let's
Okay,
go.
teleport there. Prepare to fun. John, where did he go? Oh, where's John? Wait, where's he on Teams?
I think I think he's
He's
on a boat right now.
a what? Oh, he's behind us. That's
Oh,
scary.